Did you know that when Americans feel upbeat, they buy 12% more coffee than when they're gloomy? That extra caffeine rush is actually a tiny signal that the whole economy might be about to sprint. Consumer confidence is just how happy people feel about their wallets and the future. Think of it like a crowd at a concert. If they're cheering, the band plays louder. If they're yawning, the music dies down. Surprisingly, a single survey can capture the vibe of millions in a single morning. When jobs pop up, people think they'll have cash, so confidence jumps. Imagine a hamster on a wheel that suddenly finds a treadmill made of pizza. It runs faster because the snack smells good. In 2020, confidence dropped faster than a cat meme falling off a table. Economists ask thousands of people if they think the next year will be better, worse, or the same. It's like a giant online poll where the options are I'm rich, I'm broke, or meh. The average of those answers becomes the confidence index, a number that can swing from 80 to 120. Most folks think high confidence means they'll splurge on everything, but it's more like feeling good after a haircut. You smile, but you don't necessarily buy a new car. Studies show confidence can rise even when retail sales stay flat. Sometimes confidence stays sunny even when the economy is in a rainstorm. Picture a rubber duck floating on a flooded street, chirping "I'm fine" while cars sink around it. During the 2008 crash, confidence only dipped a few points before bouncing back. If confidence is high, businesses expect you'll buy, so they may raise prices or hire more staff. That means your next paycheck could be fatter or your coffee could cost more. Keeping an eye on confidence helps you time big purchases like a house or a car. In short, consumer confidence is the economy's mood ring. It glows green when folks feel rich, dull red when they're broke. Remember, it's a vibe, not a guarantee, so don't quit your day job just yet. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is for education, not a financial advice hotline. I'm not a wizard, just a meme-loving guide.